Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Withy. A couple weeks ago, a friend of my oldest son's broke his favorite guitar, broke the headstock clean off of it, and he gave it to me to see if I could turn it into something cool. Now I have a plan for the neck and the body of this, and that'll be in another video, but this week I'm turning the headstock into a pair of bookends. Let's check it out. Now he may never be able to shred like this again with that specific guitar, but he's okay with whatever I can build out of it. Now I'm gonna build these bookends out of a piece of ash that I needed to mill down, and I don't have a joiner, so here I am just building a joiner sled for my planer. I'm using a couple of 2x4s on a piece of plywood. Be able to run this piece of ash in top to bottom. Once I have it all milled down, I just cut it to size. With everything cut and put together, here I'm just using an oil-based finish, and things are starting to look good. Now to just cut this headstock in half, and that went smoother than I expected. And now's about the time that this cheap drill I've had for 5 years decided to burn out. Oh man. Another cheap tool off to the cheap tool graveyard. But that's okay. I get to use a cheaper tool to finish this up. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Feel his heart beating against the pine needle floor of the forest. The end. Oh hey, I'm just reading all the endings of these books next to this bookends you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. Y'all go out and have a great day. Try and make something awesome. Got a few more book endings to read and looking at these bookends.